is straight-through cable? Straight-through cable is a type of twisted pair copper wire cable for LAN connectivity, local area network, which the RJ45 connector at each end have the same pin out. Straight-through cable, also known as patch cables, and normal straight-through cable, patch cable were used to connect from a host network interface controller, which is a computer or similar devices, to a network switch, hub, or router. Tools that we need to prepare a straight-through cable. So first thing first, we need the Gate 5E cable, RJ45 connector, crimping tools, and the last one is cable tester. So we're going to strip the wire. We will use the wire stripper. So we will strip the outer insulations of the wire, and we will expose the 4 wires, and after that we will twist the 4 wires. After twist the wire, we will arrange the wire by using the T568B color arrangement. We need to straighten the 8 wires, and after that we will trim the ends of the edge so it will become the same length. Make sure that the edge are about 50 mm from the outer insulations. After straighten the wire, right now we are going to cut the wire, but we need to ensure that the lengths of the wire are as the same as the RJ45 connector. So take the pen and mark the wire. And then we can cut the wire. We need to push the 8 wire into the RJ45, and please ensure that the color arrangement are correct. Make sure that the ends of the wire touch the ends of the RJ45 connector. Use the crimping tools to clamp the RJ45 connector. Insert it into the crimping tools. And crimp. Make sure use the enough strength to crimping. Repeat the same step of the outer end of the UTP cable, and make sure that use the same colors as the first app. Right now we are going to test the cable that already finished by using the cable tester. Insert it into the cable tester. Make sure the color arrangement at the cable tester is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So that's all the steps that we will need to do to prepare a straight through cable. That's all. Thank you.